To make an advanced version of our little dog, we are going to inflate the brown balloon, leaving a smaller margin than before, 3.5 inches at the most. And, like the first little dog, we are going to make a series of 3 oval bubbles. Then, we are going to lock twist the last 2 bubbles together. And so far, no changes. But we are now going to make a small modification which will completely change the appearance of our little dog. We are going to pull the lip of the balloon away from the knot. It will give us a greater length of latex. Then we will wind the lip of the balloon around the crease at the junction of the 2 ears. Like this. And then we are going to turn the little dog's head upside down and wedge the base of the remaining balloon segment in between the 2 ears. Just like this. And this small modification has completely transformed the head of a little dog. Okay, let's continue. We are going to make the little neck and the 2 front legs. Preferably of the same size. And we are going to lock twist them together. And then, just as before, a small belly and the 2 hind legs, which we also lock twist together. So far, apart from the little dog's head, which now has droopy ears, the rest of the body has not been modified yet. Now, this is where we, again, are going to make some simple modifications, but they will really refine the little dog and give it a nice touch. Thanks to the curve technique that we saw previously, we will give a slightly more natural S shape to the dog's tail. Same with the little belly. We are going to give it a little curve to make it more cute. And finally, let's do a little drawing on its head. Both eyes with eyebrows, a small nose, a mouth, and its whiskers. And here we have improved our little dog using some small modifications. But those small modifications have transformed it a great deal and gave it a much more natural and finished look.